I lay me down, I'm not my own. I belong to you alone. Lay me everybody, so welcome back to my channel, and again I am Danami and this is my channel. So for today's video, I am going to do or make another ukulele plus tutorial, diba? And for today's video, ang gagawin kong tutorial, ang song ay Lay Me Down by Tomlin. So these are the chords, key of C or family chords of C, which are the A minor, C, F, and G. And ito po yung A minor, 2nd fret, 4th string. And this is F. Dadagdagan lang po natin ng 1st fret, 2nd string, and that's F. And then C, 3rd fret, 1st string, and then G, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 1st string, and 3rd fret, 2nd string. So, that's our chords. Ito po yung pagkakasunod ng ating chords for our introduction. So, our strumming pattern ay ganito po. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, C. So that's for our introduction. And next is verse 1. So downstrokes. So ganito po siya. Ito po yung chords natin. So ito po. A minor, down, 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 C. And then A minor. And then G. And then C. A minor. A minor, G, and then F, and then C. So, with lyrics na po. It is hard, open wide, from the depths, from the heights, I will bring a sacrifice. These hands lifted high, hear my song, hear my cry. I will bring a sacrifice. I will bring a sacrifice. Next naman po ay chorus. These are the patterns of our chorus, and our strumming patterns are down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So ganito po siya. Tapos sa may part na po ng A minor, G, and then F, ganito po. A minor and G, double downstrokes. Tapos yung F, one downstroke tapos down. So, ganito po ay papakita ko. Yon. So, tuloy-tuloy na naman po. Tapos, ulit na naman po. So, ganito po siya. I lay me down, I'm not my own. I belong to you alone. Lay me down, lay me down. Hands on my heart, this much is true. There's no life apart from you. naman po, same din po siya. Katulad ng verse 1, yung downstrokes lang. So, down, 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 C. Down, 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 A minor. G. C. A minor. A minor. G. Then F. Then chorus again. So, ganun po. So, ganito po siya. Think of my pride, giving up all my rights. Take this life and let it shine. Take this life and let it shine. So, for our bridge, ito po, down. So, ganito po siya. It will be my joy. It will be my joy to say your will, your way. A minor. So your way to say your will, your way. G. It will be my joy to say F. Your will, your way. C. And then chorus again. So, that's all na po. So, I will be showing you kung paano yung pagkakasunod niya. So, I hope na naintindihan nyo kahit na medyo magulo yung pagkakadeliver ko ng tutorial na to. At kung may mga special guest tayong mga manok, mga aso, ganyan. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo kahit papano. And so, thank you so much for watching this video. Ayan, special guest messenger. So, let's get it on. Thanks so much for watching this video. Like, comment down below, and subscribe.